Hi everyone, check out my cute little Christmas tree for the factory. Everyone that knows me knows Christmas is my favorite time of year. Time for another cake. Let's get ready. Nothing says Christmas like these two flavors. Let's see what they are. Graham crumb crust. Like my friend Nadine says, butter makes it better. First flavor is gingerbread. Our next flavor is going to be eggnog. And don't worry, Mom and Dad, there's no alcohol in it. Kiddos can have it too. Eggnog says Christmas for sure. I've added some graham crumb to the outside of the cake, and now we're going to put on some semi-Frito. Okay, a little piping around the edges. I'm free pouring a little bit of cinnamon on top. And now my favorite, our homemade caramel sauce. This is delicious. Love it. For the final touch, a chocolate Santa. So from all of us here at Spring Gelato, we hope you have a very Merry Christmas. So from all of us here at Spring Gelato, we hope you have a very Merry Christmas.
Alright, so close on that one.
Okay, let me try again. So from all of us here at Spring Gelato, we hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm gonna do it again tonight.
One more.
Okay, wait. Are you recording?
Okay, let's do another one, that's good.
No, didn't like that one.
Just one little club, that's all.
The little Christmas tree part?
No, I like the whole Christmas tree.
Okay, we've added some graham crust to the, no, for